Alright, so I'm trying something new. I have you zoomed in closer to my face, so I feel like you're a little bit up close and personal. So what I'm gonna do is just pull my hair back really quickly because I have no idea what I'm gonna do. And because I already did my face prior to this look, I'm going to put some loose powder underneath my eye just to catch any fallout or whatever might fall. So what I'm going to do is, I hope you guys can see this, I'm going to take the shade A3, which is right here, A3. So I'm gonna apply that to my crease. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Like I said, this is my first time playing with this palette, and it's, you know, it's gonna be a first impression. So this color is applying very nicely to my lid and blending out nice. I'm gonna apply this as a transition shade and blend it out back and forth, really blowing out the outer edges. Grabbing a little bit more product and concentrating that on the crease, and then blending it upward with the brush. So taking a more precise, fluffy but domed brush, I'm going to take the shade B4, which is right here. It's a very pretty purple shade. And I'm going to apply that right to my crease, but lower, OMG. She is pigmented. Oh my God. I didn't know it was gonna be like this. Ooh, Anastasia. This is such a beautiful shade. And the fact that it's super pigmented like this, it's stunning. Is she? So what I'm just going to do is just blend it inward a little bit, but just still focus it on the outer crease of my eye, the outer V, and just blend it inward and then kind of flick it upwards going in, but don't drag it too far in. So I just kind of go in like circular motions, come back, do it again. You know, blending is key. So now I'm going to take another brush, somewhat of a similar brush. I'm just kind of quickly cleaning it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the B3 shade, which is the shade right next to the B4, and it's such a hot, pretty pink shade, super gorgeous. I'm going to take that and I'm going to concentrate that on my inner eye and kind of just drag it in from where that that purple shade ended. I want to start that shade there and blend it in, so it's a nice contrast gradient effect between shades. Blending that inward and flicking it on in towards my inner corner. Now I want to take the same brush and dig back into the B4 shade, that purple shade, and light-handedly go in so you don't lose the color, you know what I mean? Now I'm going to take the same fluffy brush that we started with, and I'm going to take the A3 shade, transition shade, and I'm gonna take that above the purple and the pink and just kind of like marinate it because I feel it kind of got lost up there. I feel like playing with that blue, but then this green, but then I'm just like, ugh. Flat brush, and I'm going to wet my brush first before picking up any product, and I'm gonna dig into that B1 shade, which is a nice blue, metallic-y shade. So now I'm going to apply that on my lid. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I feel like a mermaid. I'm applying that all over my lid. I absolutely love it. And I'm not digging back into it. I'm just literally blending out whatever I have on my brush, but I love it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that dome brush that I was using for the purple shade, grabbing a little bit of B4 and putting more of that purple in there so it doesn't get lost, and just flickering it on in where it marinates with the blue shade. Now I'm taking a little bit of that pink shade as well, B3, and applying that above that blue shade. I think I want to add a little bit of C5 as well, mixed in with that blue shade. So I'm taking a little bit of C5, and I'm gonna use the same brush and just dig into it a little bit. And I'm gonna apply that right on the center. OMG. Woo! How pretty. To take a pointed domed brush, and I'm going to use the shade C1, that on my brow bone or under my brow bone, just to highlight that brow bone. Oh, that's stunning. It's champagne-y kind of gold. Oh my god, this palette is stunning. Like, I love it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly do my other eye off camera, and then we can come back to finish off my lower lashes. Okay guys, I am back and I finished off the other eye. I applied some lashes. The lashes I'm wearing today are from the Creme Shop in the style Lolita. I love these lashes. They're so pretty, and I feel like they make this look that much better. To finish off the lower lashes, I like to use a angled kind of fluffy brush to really like blow out my lower lashes. I'm going to take the shade B4, which was the shade that we were using earlier. I'm going to take a little bit of that lightly, and I'm going to start at the outer end of my lower lash line, because I'm not dragging that shade all the way in. I'm only dragging it in maybe to the inner third of my eye. Taking another small kind of dense brush and taking the B3 shade and applying that in the middle, starting from the middle and working your way into the rest of the eye. Basically the same technique that we did on top, you're just doing to the bottom. I can't decide whether I want the hot pink shade or the purple shade. These are the ColourPop BFF Creme Gel Liners. I absolutely love these liners, but this is in the shade Crybaby and the other one is in the shade Insomniac. So I'm like, you know, I think the pink one is like really going for it. So I'm going to take the shade Insomniac and apply that to my waterline. You see how that just like completed the look, the whole vibe, and they're super, super creamy. I love these eyeliners. I'm gonna quickly do my other eye off camera and come back to show you the finished look. Okay guys, I am back and I am done with this eye look. I have to say I love this palette. I know I say that about a lot of palettes, but like I said, I have a newfound obsession with eyeshadow palettes, and this one did not disappoint at all. It's so beautiful. The color story, like, hello honey. The color story is amazing. The pigment is incredible. They blended beautifully into each other. I can't say any more about this palette. If you're thinking about grabbing it, rush to the store, grab it, go get her, play with her, enjoy her. It's such a beautiful palette. I love it. Out of the products that I have on my face today are the products that I picked out for my Shop My Stash. I absolutely love this palette. I have no cons in this video at all. I just love everything. I think this tutorial was a success. Other than that, I absolutely enjoyed playing with this palette. I can't wait to create more looks using this palette, and obviously putting those videos up as well so you guys can see all the different beautiful looks I create using this beauty right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me to have you join my little family over here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.